This video is sponsored by Blender.
You know, this is very exciting that we put two AI agents on a football field. Then we give them a ball and wait until they learn how to play.
Come on, man.
And also progress every time. In this project, I'm training two AI agents, Kailo and Bob as always, to play football using machine learning with Python programming language in Blender, and they use their experiences to get better every time. Actually, they will learn from scratch step by step in this project. So they will learn where the ball is, how to move it, how to kick it to the goal, and hopefully how to actually get a score. So as always, let's do this. So what is the best part of this roadmap? As you know, they will remember their past games and also use that experience to get better every time. Alright, as I told you, the system is built, around two independent AI agents, Kailo and Bob also, to playing against each other on a football field. So because of that, each agent has its own memory and learns using machine learning. So the basic learning loop is, it's really simple. Observe the game. After that, we choose an action, take the action, receive a reward, store the experience, learn from it, and also repeat. This is a loop and very simple. It's a very simple loop. And in any repetition, both of AI agents, Kyle and Bob, should repeat this loop. So the goal is to let the agents gradually discover how to play football. So because of that, we want to play football through experience and, rather than speculatively programming every move. They just choose by themselves. So let's see if they can really learn football, or we will watch the roast AI agents football match created ever.
We do not care.
We will find out. So before the learning process begins, we need to define the environment and the rules of the game. So first we tell Blender which objects are our AI agents and which object is the ball. Because of that, we just set Kailo name, Bob name, and the ball name for our variable, and they are just simply the names of the objects inside the Blender sense. After that, then we use these names to to get the actual Blender objects and also store them as Kailo, Bob, and Bob with these written. This allows the Python script to control, their position, rotation, animation, and movement. By defining the goals, next we just define the two goals using coordinates. Kailo's goal is located on, one side of the field, and the same for Bob, while Bob's goal is on the opposite side. We don't just define a single point for each goal with, we define an X coordinate and, Y range. This creates an actual goal line. By the way, if the ball crosses Kailo's goal line within the defined Y range, Bob scores. And if the ball crosses Bob's goal, line within its Y range, and Kailo's scores. By the way, if you need the complete version of this project, as you know, you can find it on my GitHub, and my GitHub address is on the description. I have your back, bro. So we put this code on Blender description part and we just run it. So as you can see here, the ball is randomly changed the place, and both AI agents start their first experience of the football game. So let's see what's happened about the first time of their try. Alright, as you saw, they just have no idea about what is happening and they just randomly move inside the area and just try to find the ball and control it and shoot it, anything. So because of that, we just need to run this script many times to see what's happening after many times and to check if they really get better and use their experience or not. So we just run it for some times. You know, at the first time they don't have any idea about what is happening, but this is just the beginning. So as you can see here, now both AI agents are training to get better and use their past experience about the past games, and this is the goal. They will repeat every time operation and also they will repeat their own experiences to get better. So because of that we need to let them grow up with their experience, so let them practice. Remember, we need practice to get better. Sometimes AI agents even needs practice more, so let them practice to get better.
Thousand years later.
Alright, now as you can see, they know where the ball is and where should they shoot the ball. That's rhythmic. Where should they shoot the ball?
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, as you saw in this case, the simulation can run for up to 5,000 frames, but the agents don't make a completely new decision every single frame. So because of that, this makes the behavior more stable and also reduce unnecessary calculations. This means the agents don't start every match with the ball in exactly the same position and same experience. So let's see what's happening this time. As you saw, the first try versus the 45 time of try is so different. Practice makes you perfect. Keeping everything on the same height is really important because we want to play football and we need a fixed Z algorithm because defines the height of the agents and the ball also. Since this is a top-down football simulation, we are just mainly interested in movement across the X and Y axis. So the Z coordinate stays fixed and keeping everything on the surface of the field. The most important part is about random ball position because every time the simulation starts, the ball receives a new random X and Y position. You know, the values just is about a ball start minimum X and ball start minimum y, and the same for maximum x and y. Define the area where the ball is allowed to spawn. And let's see what's happened at the final. Alright, that's it. Kailo and Bob started from absolutely no idea how to play football. But after many times, they actually learned about how to find the ball, control it, and after many times, they actually learned how to score goals.
How?
But they still have a long way to go before making it to the World Cup. I think that's not funny. Sorry for that. Alright, thanks guys for watching this video. In next episode, we will dive into another cool idea for Kailo and Bob. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to stick around. And don't forget our rule, ride the wave of technology. Verbal.